Hello folks, Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds, aka What a Life in this one. And I'm going to be doing this for Luca Grop. He requested this over at Patreon. Thanks indeed for your support. People over at Patreon, they can request all manner of things. And this is a pleasantly easy but fun one to play. In fact, the album version is super simple. It's just about 4 chords, I think. But the acoustic one that he did live from Lone Star Studios has some really interesting little noodly bits in it. So I'm going to show you both of those things. If you're just here for the electric stuff, zip to the end of the video. So first off, we have Capo on the 4th fret, covering all the strings. The rest of the guitar's in standard tuning. I've got a bit of reverb. Otherwise, my guitar's going direct into my audio interface. And as I say, we're going to start with the acoustic one first. And it's got a bit of a shuffle feel, okay? So, first of all, the chords. We've got an A minor shape, and I'm going to call out everything relative to Capo. The tab is relative to Capo too, okay? So, the main part is just A minor. But he adds an embellishment of this E minor for the acoustic part. And that goes like this. Like that. That's the intro, right? And part of the verse too. So, slowly. So what's going on there? A minor. And I'm taking my first finger off. So it's the A string, then a full chord with some strummy stuff. Okay, that's the first bar. Strumming continues, and then you're going to change to the E minor in the second bar. Like that. Okay, you've got the tab, so I'm not going to labour it too much, and you're going to do that 4 times. Then you go into the verse. So you get that twice. So basically what you're doing there is 3 bars of A minor, and then you move to the E minor in the 4th bar, okay? Like that. Twice round of that. Then you do the intro twice. And then you stay on the E minor for 4 bars. Okay, pretty straightforward. Then we're into the chorus. We've got an F, E minor. That's different. On the album, it's D5. Okay, rather than E minor, which is quite cool. So we have F to E minor, as I say, to A minor for 2 bars. Second time round, we have and you do that little E minor fill in the second time you play the chorus. So with the strumming, we have this. And then you're back into the verse again, right? So you're changing basically on the forehand. And I'm just playing, I think Noel just plays the top part. You could cover the top 2 there as well if you want. But I quite like, you know, John Frusciante style, just playing those 4 strings. Alright, that's it. Coming out of the chorus, you're going to do another one of these. And then you're into the verse again, another chorus. Now, when you go into the second chorus, there's a variation coming out of it. So the second time around adds a G chord. You do 1 bar of that. So the second time around, the second chorus would be you're playing... then that part becomes the part behind the keyboard solo. It's exactly the same, which goes like this. Round and round you go, okay? And from there you go into another verse, and then you're just doing A minor to E until end. Like that. Now the electric version, I'm just going to show you on the acoustic. Same deal. We've got this throughout the verse. The chorus then is F to D5 to A minor. That's D sus2 I played there. So you can leave in the top E if you want. There's also a little overdub over that part, the electric guitar, that goes like this. 2, 3, 4. Like that, right? So you're coming in with an 8th note on the first beat. 2, 3, 4. So there, after it's offbeat, okay? Pretty straightforward. There's a guitar fill after the chorus, which just plays 3, 4, 1. Half step bend on the 7th fret, well, relative to capo, right? I'm on the 10th fret here. So you're going to play the note, bend it up, half step, and then pre-bend, drop that down over 2 beats, down to the 5th fret, okay, or 8th on my actual fretboard. Another cool bit that's sort of like a little vamp over the A minor part is this. You know, and you'll probably play some more notes there really if you flatten your first finger, but you're aiming for this. With the open A played as well. I would use my thumb to cover the low E here. And if you flatten your first finger and you overshoot a little bit, and you can noodle around there, can't you? All that good stuff. Then we go F, E minor, A minor, G. With that sus4, I think that is. Okay. And then I think it's just verse and A minor. And that, folks, is it. Hope you enjoyed that, Luca, and hope some of you also found this interesting. Cheers!